Hi guys, welcome to my channel Saran Style. In this video, I am going to answer all of your questions which I have received in my post. So I will answer all of your questions which I received on my post, and also I will share my personal life updates with you guys. So let's get started with the video. First question is by Mageshwari. Mageshwari, what is your name and your family? My name is Saranya and my family, I have an elder brother and my mother and father, we live together. Question is by Balu Karne. Are you married? No, I am not married yet, but it will be happening very soon. And third question is by Nagraj N. Are you from Tamil Nadu? In Tamil Nadu, which place? Yes, I am from Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, I live in Chennai. Fourth question is by Mirdu Balamurgan. How old are you, Akka? I am 23 years old. Next is by Nagaraj N. Akka, why are you not speaking Tamil in some videos? Why I don't speak in Tamil in some of my videos? Because I have audience in every language, so I prefer to speak in English. But I'm very soon planning to change the language in Tamil. Let me know guys, what do you think about this? Because Tamil is one of the language which I prefer to talk. Let me know about your concerns in this, so that I will think accordingly if I want to change or not. Next question is by Sanju Pandit. Tell your YouTube journey. My YouTube journey is just a dream which came true to me. About this, my YouTube journey will be shared separately. I'm very happy that I started this channel and it's grown very fast. So I'm very blessed about this. Thank you so much guys. With all your support, I am making this channel successful and much more to come. We have to succeed a lot. So keep on supporting guys. So Sanju Pandit has a lot of questions. Your nickname. My nickname is Puppy. My Mosi kept this nickname when I was small. It is little bit funny, I know. His third question is your favorite family member. Family itself is a very important thing in a person's life, so there is no favorite. Everyone is equal. I love everyone is very important to me, so there is no favorite family member. Everyone is favorite. His another question is your dream place where you want to go. By the way, your fan. Thank you so much for asking this question and saying that you are my fan. Thank you so much for your support. There is no such dream place for me. I love to travel. I can travel anywhere. Next question is by Praveen Maddy. Are you committed? Yes, I am committed with you only. By the way guys, Praveen Maddy is my fiance. He just asked this question for fun. So let's move on to the other questions. Next question is by Deepika Armugam. Hair care routine video please. Deepika Armugam, I have already uploaded my hair care video on my channel. I will give the link in the description box. Go and check it out. Next question is by Sanjay Barnwal. Without hair straightener, hair straight, it is possible? Tell me. No, without straightener, it is not possible to straighten your hair. I don't think so any home remedies can straighten your hair for a long period. It can show some difference but not as much as the straightener gives you. So the answer is no. Next question by the same person. Easy steps of hair growth. For hair growth, I would like to say regularly oiling and using hair packs that are made at home. Those things will help for hair growth. For hair growth, I would like to share something with you guys. Recently, I started using Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil and Mamaearth Onion Shampoo. This is Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil with onion oil and Redensil. It is mineral oil and silicone free, dermatologically tested, suits for all hair types. This hair oil helps to control hair fall and promotes hair growth. All Mamaearth products are free from harmful chemical and all natural. If you want to buy this product, you can use my code SS2021 for 20% off at mamaearth.in. This is how the Mamaearth Onion Hair Oil packaging looks like. It comes with a comb applicator. The built-in applicator ensures that the oil reaches the roots directly. It is available on Mamaearth, Amazon, Nykaa and Purple. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order on the website to a tree that they plant. The exact geolocation, picture and the species of the tree will be sent to you. All Mamaearth products are plastic positive and Indian brand. Mamaearth has launched their official app. Users can get early access to sales and get extra discount. My Masi is applying hair oil for me. I will leave this hair oil overnight and wash it off in the morning using Mamaearth onion shampoo. This is the Mamaearth onion shampoo with onion and plant keratin. It is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, suits for all hair types. Mamaearth onion shampoo helps to control hair fall. Onion is rich in sulfate, potassium, antioxidants and it reduces hair fall and accelerates hair growth. Plant keratin replenishes and strengthens hair, repairing its natural structure. It makes hair smooth and frizz-free. Coconut has nourishing properties as it penetrates deep into the follicles and promotes hair growth. Safe for colored and chemically treated hair. This is how my hair looks after the hair wash. I feel it very soft and shiny. If you guys are interested, check out the products links given in the description box. Next question is by Deepika Arumugam. Are you from Tamil Nadu? Which I answered in the first question. Yes, I am from Tamil Nadu. Which course you are studied? I completed BSc Electronics and Communication Science. That's it guys, these are the questions which I received in my post, and I also want to share something very special to you guys. I'm going to get married on August 20. Yes, on August 20, which is very soon. I will share every single thing with you guys, how I shop for my marriage, what are the things we are doing, and also my marriage vlog series will be coming very soon. So get ready for the fun which is coming very soon. Stay tuned, keep on supporting. Thanks for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye guys.